So we are here, and I need to get up to the Chuyo line. So we need to look for Morunchi South Side. Morunchi South Side, I guess, is that way. Ah, there we go, there and there. So it takes a bit of navigating your way around Tokyo Station. It's kind of like the transportation hub of Tokyo. A lot of lines. There's also a lot of companies that offer different transportation services, so it can get quite confusing. So we're up on this side. I want to get some food, man. Where is the food at? So it looks like a bit of a walk all the way down this way. Marunchi South. So that's where we need to head. Marunchi South, wherever that is. Let's go check out that Rugby World Cup thing over there. Some kind of Rugby World Cup. I think this may be a fan zone here somewhere. Anyway, this is the train station. Old school. Looks actually kind of Europeanish. Well, let's see it over there where it says Rugby World Cup. Where there's a whole bunch of people taking selfies. Looks like some of the Irish brothers.
Fancy your chances today?
Oh, what chance, man? We don't need chances.
Well, I mean, we're 2 out of 3 in the last game.
Oh, come on. Don't worry about the past. Anyway, good luck, man. Good luck.
I would say the same about 1 minute. Have a good game.
Like 2 out of 80.
Yeah, shush.
All right. It's quite nice, eh? Ah, so that's what everyone's taking photos of. The Rugby World Cup with all the different country flags. Rugby World Cup 2019 Japan. That's pretty cool. So people taking all their selfies. Good seeing a couple of the Irish people here, having a bit of fun with them about today's game. But I need to keep moving on and head to the accom, which is that way. Just navigate through all these people. Bakery. Maybe it is time to grab a snack. Snack on the go, I think, guys. So it looks like we grab one of these. One of these. And then we grab whatever we want over here. And they have English, which is good. Great. Beef. No, not beef. Sausage twist. Quite tempting, actually, a lot of that. Kilo up, kilo up. The wife will not approve. The wife will not approve. Let's have a look over here. Ah, that's cool. Bit of cheese. What do you reckon, guys? Try one of these? Why not, hey? I think that'll be all for on the go. I think the accom's down that way, so we'll head on down there. Pretty busy here, guys. There you go. There seems to be like a heavily congested amount of people in this area. Shinjuku. I do want to try some Japanese food later. I don't know what these are. Looks like fortune telling or something like that. I wonder if she can tell us who will win the game today between the All Blacks and Ireland. Could even be lotto tickets or something. What he's talking about. It's like people smoking over here. It must be a smoking area just for smokers. It is. So they've got specific areas here to smoke. Clean Shinjuku, it says.
So we've got lots of facilities where we offer dormitory residential support for orphans.
Oh, that's
we
real
also
cool,
offer
man.
leadership programs and education. But the primary goal is to ensure that the orphans can gain access to education.
Ah,
We're a
right.
Japanese organisation, so we do it in Japan,
Great.
but we also work in Africa as well.
You kind of sound English.
Yeah, I am. I'm from the UK.
Oh, great. Oh, good cause. Is it in English? This?
So we don't have this in English
okay.
for today. We've run out today. I'm really sorry about that.
Okay, no
But
worries. You got a website or something like
if you
that?
just search for Ashinaga, so ASHINAGA, you'll find...
It would be cool to come along and do a bit of a vlog of the...
Definitely look out for us on the internet. Yeah.
Okay,
You
no
can
worries.
reach out to
Hey,
us.
and all the best with what you guys are doing.
Thank
all
you
right.
so much.
Thanks,
Thank
guys.
you.
See you guys later, eh? Did you hear that, guys? This orphanage here is taking in a few orphans around the world. Somebody's dropped this on the ground just over there. So it's got like a suka card in it. Let's see what else has got in it. It's just got the suka card. So I'm not sure whose that is. It looks quite cute, but someone's down a suka card anyway. Could be one of those places that plays a prank on you, so you got to look out and make sure that you aren't being pranked. Maybe if I find a police officer, I can hand it in somewhere. Or if someone sees me with it, they can come and get it off me. Heaps of little shops along here. This looks like the chemist or supermarket.
Well, I have it in my bag.
Probably a supermarket chemist. But it is a chemist. Pharmacy. Some more Kiwis. What's up, brothers? So, more food little places here. Cute little restaurants. Kind of reminds me of Seoul. Seoul, they got quite a lot of little small restaurants. Another little restaurant. What are they selling? It's all in Japanese. head to the accom. Good thing it's not raining yet either, guys. The Rugby World Cup banner. Look how clean the streets are. Haven't seen any dogs though. Tokyo shoes. These guys are lining up for something. Ah, they're lining up to go into this little restaurant. Must be a popular restaurant. Please line up at the far right in the stairs. Okay, so it looks like you gotta line up to get into this place here. Must be popular. Might come back here for dinner later on. Anyway guys, on and on we go.